I have $19 and 5 days to thrift my Halloween costume. Today we need to find a sparkly dress because I'm being a vintage lady on the moon. Let's see what we can find with $19. No, is that a Prada logo? These are real vintage Prada pants. We just don't have the money in our budget for them. Keep all cute furniture and Prada pants away from me. This isn't even an Aura ring, just the size guide. Oh my goodness, can I thrift you? They're a pair of adorable shoes. These are Escada, but we've already found shoes, so we need to say no. No thank you to the cop cutie. Cover my eyes from the vintage Ferragamos in the box. I like this for fall, but not for my costume. A little Betty Boop cowgirl moment. The icon itself, Happy Bunny. This will look amazing on someone for Halloween. Wait a second. My friend just texted me and asked if I wanted to trade her a top I thrifted. A sparkly dress she bought but doesn't fit her. Quick stop at home to get the top. Hi B. Okay, it's time to see the result of the trade. Also, everything I'm wearing is thrifted. Oh my goodness. Look at how this sparkles in the sunlight. This is absolutely gorgeous, but we have to do one test to see if it works with the shoes. Okay, here are the shoes. I haven't cleaned them fully yet. I think this goes together super well. It's definitely given lady on the moon, but there is one small problem. Even though I'm super happy with this dress at the top, do you see how the amount of sparkles dramatically fades out to way less at the bottom on both the front and the back? Here, let me show you a little closer. I wanted it to be sparkly over the entire thing, so it kind of makes me want to say no. We only have 5 days. It is gorgeous in the light. What do you think if I add more sparkles to the bottom? Because I feel like I could thrift a rhinestone kit. By the way, this is the top I lent to my friend for her event. It's thrifted ALC. You're definitely running out of time, so I feel like we're gonna have to figure out a way to make this dress work. So I might be spending hours bedazzling, but yay, we have a dress. Tell me, would you add more rhinestones?